Hi, my name is Debbie Sade Lambert,
And I'm Craig Lambert.
and we're here today to talk about something that we're launching November 14th from 9 to 1, and it's a webinar called What They Teach You in Couples Therapy. Craig and I are both couples therapists, and there are a certain set of tools and techniques we teach our couples when they come to therapy. And we thought, wouldn't it be cool if we could teach these tools and techniques to people that can't get to therapy?
Yeah, and there's a lot of reasons people can't get to therapy. Either they don't want to pay for therapy, or just making that appointment and logistically getting to it can be very challenging. So we're going to be covering a lot of material in there, obviously things that we've learned over the years that are really instrumental to a successful relationship. We're going to be covering things like deep listening skills. We're going to be covering things like how do you make a repair after you have an argument. We're going to be covering conflict management. We're going to be looking at love languages, of course, and we're going to also be looking at how do you set a boundary, and as well as how do you deal with pet peeves and things that annoy you and frustrate you in the relationship.
Yeah, so what Craig's talking about is what we refer to as the skill set. What are the tools and techniques that if you know and you implement can really transform your relationship? But the other thing that we're going to talk to you about is what's the mindset that can transform your relationship? Without the right mindset, the tools and techniques just become burdensome and they don't work. So we're going to teach you that magical mindset that make everything that you're talking about work like magic. So we hope you join us again November 14th from 9 to 1.
November 14th.
Did I say something
February,
different?
yeah.
Oh,
It's okay.
November 14th from 9 to 1.
It's going to be great. We're excited and we look forward to seeing you there. Oh, you can check us out at Lambert Couples Therapy for more information about the webinar, or if you'd like to register.
Thanks.
Thank you.